All right, now we're going to move on to step 2, which is attaching the angle bracket and the arm to the grinder. First thing I want to do, tilt my head to 55 degrees or 60, whatever you prefer. And I'll walk around here, loosen this, tip the chain shark the same angle, and tighten this down. Next, I'm going to wire this arm up just to get it out of the way. Remove my angle bracket. Take my angle bracket bolt. I've got a little magnet here. Helps me guide that up through the hole. If you can get it, you can take this guard off, but it's pretty easy to get it through there without. Take the nut, get it started on there. Pretty hard with my left hand. Okay. Remove my magnet. Grab a 10mm wrench. You want to keep the angle bracket parallel with this line on the grinder. And you want to snug this up. Next, we're going to let our arm down. Get rid of this. Attach the arm to the angle bracket. Grab a 9/16 wrench. Snug that up. That's going to do it for step 2.